She's doing it on purpose, he says. It's official. He tells Diaz, it's my turn now. Later that day, he says, Gabby is begging that you spray her and not me. He tells her, I'm gonna spray her just because she's saying no. 10 minutes later, he brags to Diaz. Gabby's whining. Her legs are so cold now. November 28th, Fields is watching Gabby again. After hours of battling, Diaz tells Fields just to beat her. Fields tells Diaz back, my nails already got her back good. She's fighting to try to go to the bathroom. I'm about to drag her into a cold bath. How hard was that day on Gabby? Fields took a picture of Gabby in the bathtub that night and sent it to Diaz. That was the result of that day of battle. The next day, Gabby won't eat. Fields tells Diaz he thinks it's because of the drugs. You learn that Brad Fields did get Gabby to eat that day, but he had to shank her with a fork to get her to do so. The day after was no different. This day, Brad Fields says, I'm gonna piss all over her face. She can drown in my urine. I would say flash forward, but for Gabby, each and every day was a struggle. Her only escape was school, and you will learn that even that was being taken away from her. It's December 29th now. Gabby has 3 days to live. This is what she's become. December 31st now. It's New Year's Eve. Instead of a day, celebration, and fanfare, 84 Green Meadows is filled with pain and suffering. You see, on that day, there was a new weapon of warfare, and that was the hot bath. So hot that Gabby suffered absolutely horrendous burns on both her arms, her knees, her legs, and on her buttocks. You will hear that she was up all night in agony and pain. January 1st, New Year's Day. January 1st would bring an end to all the pain and suffering for Gabby. You'll hear that what she surely felt is just unexplainable. What happened at 84 Green Meadows on January 1st is unimaginable. Fields and Diaz peeled the burnt skin off of Gabby's body. She cries out in pain. They hold her down. They press so hard over her mouth that her teeth cut into her lips. Gabby had lost the war. The fight was over. She died on that bathroom floor. Instead of calling 911, Fields and Diaz call Cynthia Diaz. It takes her over 30 minutes to get over that. And it's only then, at the request of Grandma, that they call 911. By the time the police get there, it's too late. Gabby's gone. For what Fields and Diaz did to Gabrielle Barrett, they've been charged with murder, child abuse, torture, and conspiracy. These are charges that we will prove beyond reasonable doubt. No one's heard Gabby's cries until today. We're here to make sure they're not forgotten.